My nickname Changwish. Everybody call me Changwish. Not too many people just Saguenay Shoulders, just white people, Elisabeth, Penashue. And the people here had Changwish. My parents come from Quebec. And she come from Labrador. I was born in the bush, no doctor, no nurse. And I'm very proud and very happy when I stay in the tent. I was thinking I was born in the tent. I got 7 sons and 2 daughters, 9 altogether, my own children, 9. And my grandchildren, 53 altogether. And my great 24. My dad, when I was always hunting, always. When I wake up in the morning, sometimes my dad gone already, hunting all day. And my mom cook breakfast. We never eat in the bush in the country like a banana, eggs like that. Never. My mom always cook fish or meat and bread. Baking powder, raisins, and flour. Now I'm gonna put molasses. You know, people when he cook, we never use measure. Never. When he want to make a fast cook, sometimes the kids, small kids, sometimes crying. He really want a bread. And my mom said I'm gonna cook on the stove. Just make fast. You got to make like this. Make a faster cook. It's not gonna be cook if you make what you call. Okay. If you got a lot of children, you got to make maybe 3. Just get enough next day. Maybe 2 days and then make another one. If you make today, you're not gonna make a bread tomorrow. And next day you got to make a bread again. Always my mom people he cut the bread. I always make a cross before he cut. Like women teach the girls, men teach the boys. Like me when I was young, always I help my mom. Sometimes I walk looking for partridge, for some snares, sometimes porcupine. And the man hunting far away all day, come home at night. Only when he need flour, baking powder, salt, sugar, milk, tea bags, I would walk. Sometimes 10 days, sometimes 15 days. And then you make money a little bit. And then you buy some food, flour, everything. Maybe just 2 days or 1 night. Get ready, go back because you worry about his wife and babies and kids. He need the food. We got lots of meat, but we need flour and everything like that, sugar, milk. When it's small babies, very small babies, there's no milk, and then you press the babies. And mothers, she gotta be good eat. When you cook fish in that water, you got to put in there and then drink, and then the baby. And then that's why, people, not too many people sick long time. No, all kind of problem. Cancer, diabetes, kidneys problem, high blood pressure. We didn't have that. And babies born in the bush in the country. Not too many food anymore. Not enough. There was a good fish to eat and all kind of meat. Now people buy in the store pork chop, banana, eggs. It's not the same. People always eat country food. It's almost 20 years now I'm doing walk and canoe trip. If I stop everything, who's going to teach the children? A lot of children, J.R.G. the children very change when he go in the bush, Nourishing, and then change again after when he came back. Too much drugs and alcohol. Every time when I go Nourishing in country, I teach him. Like I teach my grandchildren. When she's grown up, when he married, and then she's going to teach her children. I always pass. And then I said, don't ever forget what I teach you is very, very important for us, our culture.